What are other applications for aerial robotics?
Actually, there are so many applications where when you transform an aerial robot from just seeing and being capable of only taking pictures for visual inspection to be able to take actions and do physical work. So anything that can be done on elevated structures can in theory be done using an aerial robot. Of course, there are the limitation of amount of forces and amount of payload that the robot can handle. So we limit our applications to lightweight tasks. For instance, contact-based inspection, and that's already quite a large market where you want to guarantee that structures are in a good state or in a reliable state. So there you use different kinds of sensors, and then you can inspect bridges, pipes, tanks, all kinds of capital-intensive assets. And a failure in these assets can cause a lot of damages and can cost lives. So our goal is to make these inspections much easier for operators, so it can be done more often, regularly, and the result of these inspections can be used to predict or plan ahead the maintenance tasks. Other applications such as maintenance tasks, coating, spraying, and even sensor installation on elevated structures. These are potential applications for Voliro.